Hello, my beautiful people. How y'all doing today? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a blessed and beautiful day. Of course, I am about to go home, darling. I'm getting off work. Yeah, me. But listen, yesterday was Thanksgiving. I hate some jerk barbecue turkey wings yesterday. Trust me, I will never doubt turkey again. Never. That was the bomb, diggity bomb. Okay, that was so good. So did you all hear that just now? So I'm wondering if I should just take my ass to Sephora right now, get that out the way, because I'm supposed to be going to Springfield today. See if I can get, I don't know, I'm just gonna go to Sephora, guys, and then I'll pick you guys up when I get there. Guys, tell me why I'm driving in the parking lot for like friggin' an hour trying to get a park. Like, seriously, Black Friday is not that serious. The mall big, there's no parking in here. A good thing I have my client sticker in my car. I could have found one handicap parking because this is crazy. The place full. But anyway, I'm about to go in Sephora, see if I get some face product and this what you call it, this Jeffree Star primer. People have been going crazy about that. We're gonna try it out. Ew, look like he shut up himself. Oh God, don't do that. Thank you. Thank you.
For $3? Yeah.
The place?
It's gonna be cold. Okay, no.
It's crazy inside here. What's the deal? What is the deal? Gifts under $40. I can pack a way better gift bag for way less than $40. What the heck is this? You're crazy? No, ma'am. Oh, I guess today is the day everybody I buy gifts, right? What's the price? Oh.
Yeah, I called them. Like, yeah, if you bring it now, like, you know, it was like, it was, I called right?
Near. Let me go where I'm supposed to go. Guys, you see that right there? I'm scared of it. I'm scared. I gotta go find an elevator because I'm not taking that. Ryan, I want to get 2 bra. These are good bras. Vanity Fair, good bra. These are good too. But anyway, guys, I'll see y'all later. Isn't this the cutest thing? Oh my God, little foot people don't have it good. My little cousin Sudine, should have look. This would have fit her because she don't have no foot. And this is for like $97, and it all does, outdoor, whatever I want to call. But that's curved. So big shoes ugly. Well, this is not ugly now. It's not bad, but no. This is nice. I wonder if I could. What size is this? And look at the price. It's 60% off today. No, this is not bad. Let me see if this could fit me. Hold on. What y'all think? Is it giving birthday vibes? I need a mirror. Hold on, let me go see this mirror. It's not, I don't know why I feel, this is nice. I think I'm gonna grab this for my birthday. Oh my God, I'm gonna grab this. Is my foot going down in it? I hate shoes that when you put it on, your toe gone down. This is a size 10. This is big. But this is nice. Hold on. So I found it in the size 9.5. And it fits, but I'm not sure about the left foot. And you know the left foot bigger than the right. So I'm waiting on the girl to bring it so I can try it on the left foot to see if it works. But isn't this the ugliest shoes you ever seen? It's crazy. Who wears this? And it's for $35. Don't play with it. Somebody smells so good. I don't know who it is, but somebody's smelling good. Cute.
I have no idea how to do it, but
Oh no.
anybody
Oh my
customer
God.
iPhone? No.
Gosh. Oh no. Cute, right? This is nice. This is the cheapest one I've seen. I can't believe no socks. Yo, this line is crazy. Excuse me. Listen, I want to get these two glasses, but if y'all see the line in Forever 21 wrap up on the building, like who? Let me, before I walk out here with them, put them down somewhere because I'm not able. I saw the line wrap around the building 2 times. I swear to God. People is crazy when it comes to Black Friday because me, excuse me, ain't no way, I would never. Look at this shit. Alright, I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm scared of that. Yo! Oh my God, Michelle Pass. Oh my. This class is crazy, right? I've been doing way too much. What would I wear that with? Nah. What's say? Look how most of the people then push me down. Jesus Christ. But anyway, we're going into Sephora and then we're coming back here. Oh my God, Sephora full too. Guys, it's like this in here. Let me get a little basket. Okay, there's music in here, so sorry, I'm gonna cut y'all off. Not me keep telling you guys about Jeffree Star, I mean Patrick Star, Jesus Christ. But anyway, this is it. The need for Kara go in there. What's up, my beautiful people? Good morning. Welcome back. It is Saturday. It feels like Sunday. My whole weekend is messed up because of Thanksgiving. So I'm here wondering why is it looking like I have a full face of makeup on? Stupid filter. But anyway, I didn't even get to tell you guys what happened at the mall yesterday. I had to stop vlogging. It was so crazy. It was so crazy over there. I had to like stop because somebody almost pushed me down for one. And then the mall was so packed. It wasn't, nobody was shopping anymore. At one point the mall just coming like a big party for everyone. Yesterday, like a friggin' Thanksgiving party where you have the young, the old, the grandparent them, the grandmother them, the great grandmother. It was everyone was there, you know what I mean? And it was too much. It was too much. The line them wrap around the building them. Tried to go into Victoria's Secret. I'm like, what kind of sale Victoria's Secret have? Why there's a hella line outside? You crazy? Everywhere. But I ended up get what I wanted from Sephora. I spent like $3 something. I don't remember. There's 3 something. I was gonna mirror the 3. I'm like, what? Yes, my love. 3 something. But in reality, those would have cost me like maybe $600 because Fenty had a big sale yesterday. I ended up getting some stuff from her when we did want. And then Jeffree stuff, I don't want to say Jeffree Star because I'm not sure. I keep messing up. Their name is Jeffree Star and the next one is something, I don't know. But I'm not gonna say I'm gonna put it up here. I always say that and I don't do it. But when I get home today, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Sephora. So we're here. I hope this music is not in my video because we can't. Well, anyway, guys, I will see you guys later. Nothing matters. Nothing really matters. Won't you make my day? I think we do. That's it for me.
Lights are years gone by. Like forgive me, words. Ooh, at the right time to leave.
Oh shit, it's on. Is it on? Hey, what's up, my beautiful people? How y'all doing today? Please like the videos, guys. Like, smash that thumbs up button, okay? Thank you guys. So anyway, I have a little haul for you guys today. Remember we went to the mall to see what was popping for Black Friday. I didn't get to show y'all what I got because it was such a hectic day. So I left the mall that day, and then I went to they call it Springfield to get liquor for Cargo, Jamaica. So yeah, let me get the email and let you guys know how much for all these crap, because why these stuff gotta be so expensive. I don't know. Why did I buy them? I don't know either. I'm easily influenced. That's it. But I want to take my makeup game to a little bit. I don't want a lot. I just want it to be a little smoother and a little better, because I'm not good at makeup, but I'm trying to get it down, you know what I mean? So I'm trying to make it easier for me by buying the products that's gonna make it easy, because I don't like doing nothing hard. I don't like nothing bothering me. So am I in the right email? Yeah guys, so first we have the one size from Patrick Star. I heard it's the best blended thing. It got like, this thing got like 4 or 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 4 different sides to it. Got here, got here, and it got here, and it got this little shape. It is so soft. Oh my god. This was $19. This was for $19. This one little beauty blender, $19. But it feels good. I hope it works. Yeah, and I wanted to try a new foundation, because the one I have is not really full coverage, and I don't like to use a lot of makeup. So I got this. I got this one. This is for like 53. They said it is full coverage. We can see. So it is this right here. She just said a little bit goes a long way. So we better try that. And yeah, that was like $53. And I got this Huda Beauty. I don't know if I'm butchering the name, but I think it's Huda Beauty Baby Bake. It says loose baking and setting powder. I guess it's for like under your eye. I have something like it, but I think it's too light. I don't like. So we got this one. Then we have the Rihanna Fenty Beauty Rihanna lip gloss. The colors, I heard these are, so I got 3 of them, 4, and one of them is for $14.70. She had a sale on these, so it was $14.70 for one. I ended up getting, look at this color. Oh my god, this is pretty. The packaging is so nice too. And these are lip gloss, but they just have like a pretty sheen to them, a pretty color to them. Oh my god, did I get 2 of this? No, I did not buy 2 of the same damn thing. Oh my god, that was such a waste of money. Wow. I can't believe I got 4 of the same damn thing. 2 of the same thing. This is ridiculous. It is exactly the same thing. That make no sense. Then this is what I really went in there for. This and this. These, I keep hearing good things. This is supposed to control your sweat. This is This is one size Patrick Star Secure the Sweat Waterproof Modifying Primer. Okay, so this is supposed to make you not sweat, baby. And I am a sweater, and Jamaica is hot, so we're gonna see if this shit really work. I hope it does, because it is everywhere. Everybody and their mother talking about this. So let's hope that work. And this is a setting spray. Oh, this was $34. This is one little primer right here, $34. Yeah, guys, we also got this one, and this is also Patrick Star, and this is the waterproof setting spray that everyone is talking about. Okay, I see them did go on the water, go to the beach, do everything, and this make your makeup stay put. And this was for $32. Yeah. Now we also got this lip. What is this? This is a Sephora brand, and it was for $16. It's a matte lipstick. I wanted to try. I think I got two. So I got the orange. Look at the color. This is me stepping out my comfort zone. The only bright lipstick I wear is red. If it's not red, it is something just light. So I'm like, let me try this. This color looks so pretty. And I also got the purple, and they're matte, which means no sheen at all. So I'm about to try that. And one of this is for $16, and I got two. So also I wanted some eyeshadows that is more like nude, like not so bright, because I'm always doing a lot of bright colors looking like a damn clown. So I said I wanted to try some eyeshadows that is not so extra, you know. And I also wanted them small because I'm traveling. So one of these is for $6 for one. I got two or three. I got two of these, and this is the Sephora brand. Yeah, I'm gonna open it to see what it's giving. See the colors I'm talking about? Like nude, you know what I mean? Yeah. So I just wanted to like started to look a little more not so clowny, you know. If that's a word. Anyway, that's that. Did I tell you the price of those? Yeah, it was like $6, very cheap. So we also got this Fenty Beauty bronzer. It's a cream bronzer. It's by Rihanna. Let's see if that one worked. This was for $24. She had like a 25% sale that day. So it was, I got it for $24. I don't know what it was before that. But yeah, that's a bronzer. You all know what a bronzer is. So we also got this face powder. This is a Sephora brand. This was for $20. Yeah, they call it powder. And blushes. I love blush. I never used to wear blush. That's the craziest thing. I never used to wear it, but when I got into it and see the little look that it gives me, I'm like, listen, I'm obsessed. So I got these two colors. These are, let me open them. This is like orange. Okay, let me let y'all see this. Look at this. This is so pretty. So pretty. And come on. Ooh, oh my god, this is gonna be my favorite. This is, but yeah guys, this is it. I don't know if you guys need to see that, but anyway, That's that. And I got one of these for $14. I got 2 of those. And then I just got some pencils. I don't know why pencils so dear in that place there. But one of these pencils is for $25. Okay? $25. If I had known that, I wouldn't buy this. I did not see that this was $25. And I was wondering, why the fuck is my bill so high? And everything is on sale. 25. Crazy. $25 for one freaking. Are you done? Let's do Macy's now. What did I get from here? I don't even know. Oh, I got the birthday shoe. I got my birthday slippers. It was originally for 99 something. Basically, it was like $100. My total saving was $59.77. I got it for $39. Now that is a sale. That was a sale. Sephora stuff was no sale, darling. And I got this. It's to wear for my birthday dinner. Guys, this is so pretty. Oh my god. I've never wear shoes with my toe out. Because I don't like when you put your shoes on and your toe them sliding through that. So I never chanced this. But when I tried this on, I didn't get that vibe from it. It was like right here was definitely just holding my foot. So hopefully it stays that way. And I got it in a size 10. I don't know why I needed a 10, but I tried a 9 and that was not working for the big foot. You know, the little foot, it fit the little foot fine, but the big foot was squashing my toes, okay? Yeah. And then we went to Foot Locker, of course. We had to go see what Foot Locker was giving. And in there we got the, y'all know the New Balance. I got this in a size 8. Yeah, I wear 8 in sneakers, so that's what I got. And this is the baby. I already have one of these. I have one, but yeah, so this is nice. I love it. This color is fire, okay? Obsessed. Yeah, this was $150 something, but it's always been $150. That was no sale. Yeah, and that's my little haul for today. My little Black Friday haul. In Sephora, overall I spent $394. It's crazy. $394, but I'm happy I got these stuff. Them here. It's like everything when I get, I don't need them. And you know these stuff last long. They last forever. But yeah, guys, that's the haul. That's it for now. Thanks so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video. We are trying to grow, and I'll really appreciate it if you show some love. Like the video, guys. Thumbs up the video, please. Thank you.